I'm in Cupertino for Apple's annual hardware event and just met the entire iPhone 17 series, but there's a new member of the family this year. It's the iPhone Air. It's not the 17 Air, but it's in the family. It has a striking new design. It is super thin, as you might have guessed from the name, just over 5 millimeters thick. That actually makes it a little bit thinner than the Samsung Galaxy Edge. Not by much, they're both really thin phones. By comparison, the 17 Pro is 8.75 millimeters thick, so much thinner here. So the screen is 6.5 inches, it's a 120 Hertz ProMotion display. All of the phones have it this year. Thank you, Apple, it's about time. The whole phone is made out of titanium. It's got that ceramic shield on the front and back, so Apple says it's quite durable despite being super thin. And on the back, you've got just one 48 megapixel camera to work with. It does crop to 2x optical-ish zoom, so you've got something else to work with, but just the one camera right here. It is sitting on an elongated camera bar that Apple insists on calling a camera plateau. I'm not gonna be saying that. The camera bump stretches along the back of the phone. It's an interesting design. It helps mitigate the wobble a little bit, but when you're tapping on the screen, it's still gonna wobble back and forth a bit. I hate that. I can't stand the wobble. Inside, it's powered by the new A19 Pro. There's a new chip for connectivity actually too, the N1, that works for your personal hotspot and Bluetooth and that kind of thing. And there's a new version of Apple's house-made modem for cellular connectivity. So around front, there's a new selfie camera. That's actually across the whole series this year. It's an 18 megapixel chip, and it's actually a square sensor. So it can switch to horizontal or vertical, and you don't lose any resolution that way. So the front camera is also a center stage camera. It'll follow you around the frame and crop as needed to keep you and your pals all centered. So every version of the iPhone Air sold globally will be eSIM only. Usually that's a US only thing. But they wanted every square inch inside of this phone to cram in as much battery as possible. And on that front, they're claiming that the iPhone Air will get just as good battery life as any other iPhone 17. They say up to 40 hours of video playback. We'll want to test those battery claims for ourselves. In the meantime, the iPhone Air will go up for pre-order this Friday, September 12th. It'll be on sale September 19th, and you will pay $9.99 for it.